Hi, in this video we want to try and answer the question, does this product meet your needs? We're going to spend a little time explaining what Halcyan does, then who shouldn't buy it and who should, and hopefully you'll fall into the latter category. Halcyan's a water conditioner, which means that it directly treats the minerals in the water that create the lime scale, but does it without adding anything to the water or taking anything away. There are three great reasons for buying Halcyan. The Halcyan will save you time and money by making cleaning much easier. It'll protect all the expensive equipment in your system from lime scale, and it'll help reduce your energy costs. The Halcyan will protect your home for longer than any other system on the market, traditional salt softeners included. Unlike many conditioners, our system can also offer some of the benefits of soft water, such as the water feeling softer on your skin, gentler on your hair, and being able to use less products, shampoos and detergents. Of course, Halcyan's also the most sustainable solution to this problem, both through its long life, through the carbon that it helps you save, and through the fact that it puts nothing back into our waterways, which means while you're helping yourself, you're also helping the planet. There are three main reasons why you shouldn't buy a Halcyan when looking to treat your water. The first is to do with the residue, which the Halcyan and all other water conditioners leave on the surfaces. If the thought of wiping down that soft powdery residue periodically is just too much to bear, and you're willing to accept the associated maintenance and additional costs to have no residue at all, then your only option is to look into traditional water softening. The final two reasons are quite closely related. If you need true soft water, i.e. no mineral content at all, for example for health reasons, or perhaps your primary goal is not dealing with lime scale, but simply to have soft water, then you should also forego any type of water conditioner or inhibitor and look into getting a salt-based water softener. If you're keen to find out more, please head over to our website to see some more useful videos and content. You can also get in touch with us via email at info@halcyanwater.com or just give us a call on 0345 50 40 656. We look forward to speaking to you soon.